In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method on how to group layers in Photoshop in only 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So first, as you can see, we have 4 layers right here. We're gonna go to this file and click on create a group. Then we're gonna select the four layers, and that's by clicking on the first one, hitting the shift and clicking on the last one, just like that. We selected all of the layers. Then we're gonna drag them and put them on that group. So as you can see, when you close the group, there is no more layers, but when you open it, all the layers are in the group.
I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks for watching.